Yo! Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrock Luna here, and today for whip number 5, finally natapos ko na rin siya, guys. So, tara! Tingnan natin, guys. So, ito na nga siya, guys. Ang McFarlane Toys Blue Beetle movie version. This is the battle mode action figure ng McFarlane Toys. And yung movie kasi, di ba, release siya nung 2023. So, na-inspired ako na sabi ko, gawin natin movie-like lalo. Lagyan natin ng highlights. Yung mga ilaw, kumbaga, pag nag-power on siya. So, ayan guys. Ang ginamit ko lang naman dito, just to share with you, is the fluorescent blue by Armored Komodo. Ayan. With the combination of luminous blue. Alright. Para yun yung sa chest later on makikita nyo dito para mas maganda yung glow in the UV light spectrum, and sinamahan na rin natin siya ng phantom light fluorescent white. Ayan. Then for the finishing touch, I did a gloss varnish na from Vallejo paints. So these are some of my currently trusted acrylic paint na water base na enjoy ako kapag ginagamit siya. So let's go guys. Patayin na natin ng ilaw para makita nyo ang outcome. So most likely I did finish it overall, from the accessories, from the wings, from the body, and doon sa hands and guns, almost 3 hours. Medyo mahirap kasi, again, disclaimer, I am not a professional painter or even a professional artist pagdating sa drawings, okay? So, I'm doing this on my own free will dahil gusto kong mas mapaganda yung current collection na meron ako na mas detailed, kumbaga. Para lang din kagaya ng sa Gunpla before nung high school days ko. So, let's go guys. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, nag-glow na yung sa dibdib, then as well yung sa scarab, dun sa abdomen niya, and as well yung sa kanyang lower torso sa may legs. Yan, lahat linagyan ko ng detailed. Yung iba very very light, lalong-lalo na sa may boots area, sa may leg part, and as well yan, yung scarab, sonic or plasma blaster. Yan, linagyan ko na rin siya, pati yung wings based dun sa movie na Blue Beetle as well, lalo pag active siya. Sayang lang yung sa hands kasi medyo mahirap yung sa hands, sa loob talaga, at saka yung sa likod ng scarab. Ayan. So ayan guys, so just a quick update, yan yung ginawa ko para sa Blue Beetle natin. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this quick video, a whip number 5, my very own custom paint. So, again, kapag gusto nyong gawin sa sarili nyo, ayan yung mga paints na ginamit ko. Armored Komodo, fluorescent blue, and samahan nyo ng konting pitch ng luminous acrylic paint para mag-store ng konting energy siya para mag-light up with the UV light, lalo mas makintad. And then, it's up to you guys kung anong klaseng top coat ang gagamitin ninyo. Alright? So again, hope you enjoyed this short video. This is Sumrock Luna. Thank you for watching, and keep you posted on the next custom or whip for my very own action figures. See ya! Bye-bye!